Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Kitchen Tonic. Welcome back to another brand new video here on the channel. A brand new, quick and easy video that most people should be able to do. So what we're going to be making here today is a curry chicken with bora, or long beans as some people may call it. So what we're going to begin here, as you can see on your screen there, I have a pot here filled with some oil, and I'm going to go ahead and begin with some cumin seeds here. We're going to go ahead and roast these cumin seeds for about a minute to a minute and a half, and then we're going to continue adding a little bit more ingredients to the pot here. Alright guys, so after about a minute or so of roasting your cumin seeds here, we're going to go ahead and begin adding our onions into the pot here. And this is about a medium-sized onion that we're adding to the pot here. We're also going to add about a teaspoon of minced garlic to the pot as well. And we're going to go ahead and let that saute for about another minute. Alright guys, so after about another minute or so, we're going to go ahead and add some curry powder to the pot here. And what I'm going to add here is about 4 tablespoons of curry powder. We're also going to be adding a little bit of masala to the pot here as well. And what we're going to be adding is half a tablespoon of masala, as well as half a tablespoon of ground cumin. And then we're going to go ahead and mix everything up and allow our spices here to roast and to release all of its flavor. Alright guys, after about 2 minutes of adding your ground jeera or ground cumin and masala there, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken to the pot here. Now what I went ahead and did with this chicken here, I went ahead and washed it off with a little bit of lime juice and vinegar. And then I went ahead and seasoned it up with some salt, black pepper, and curry powder, as you can see there. So we're just going to go ahead and add our chicken to the pot here, and we're going to go ahead and mix this up, of course. Alright guys, after you've mixed your chicken up there, we're not going to add any water or liquid to the pot just yet. We're going to go ahead and cover that down and go ahead and let it cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to begin or continue with the rest of our ingredients or recipe here. Okay guys, so after about another 2 to 3 minutes of putting your chicken here into the pot, what I'm going to go ahead and do here, I'm going to add half a cup of water to my pot here, and I'm going to go ahead and allow my chicken to cook once again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, so after about another 2 to 3 minutes here, we're going to go ahead and add our bora or our long beans to our pot here. Now what we're using here today is around 1.5 pounds of bora or long beans. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add about another cup of water to my pot here as well, just to make sure that everything gets cooked properly. Go ahead and mix everything up, make sure everything gets nice and incorporated here in the pot. We're also going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt to your taste or to your liking. And then we're going to cover our pot down and allow our curry here to finish off doing its cooking. Alright guys, so here we are with the final product of our recipe here today. Curry chicken with bora. Now you guys can feel free to adjust the salt to your taste or your liking, as I've mentioned earlier. But that is it for this recipe here. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You can also adjust the amount of water based on how much water you would like to have in your curry here, or gravy that you'd like to have in your curry. You can also add potatoes or whatever you feel like adding to spice up this dish here. But like I said, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. And I see you guys another time, another day, with another brand new video here on Kitchen Tonic.